Hello, welcome to the English Language Development homepage. On the sidebar here, you will see the Home button. If you ever need to get back to this page to find my information or any information about the course, click this button. See? If you need to get to the syllabus, click this button. This will tell you any assignments that are due and what day they are due. If you want to know the objectives for the course, aka what you are to accomplish for each lesson, this is where you would go. To find modules, you will click on this button. If you are absent in class, then you can go through the modules in order to learn the material to do the assignments. Or if you are not absent in class, this is where you will find the assignments. In order to get to the assignments without the modules, you can just go to the assignments page. It also has the due date on it and how many points it is worth. If you are assigned a discussion, you can go to this link. Quick access for quizzes is right here. And if I assign you something from News ELA, clicking this button will take you directly to the News ELA website. All of these can be accessed through the modules, so if you wanted to do them more in order, but if you are not that kind of learner, then that is okay. Let's go back to the front page. Ta-da!